Alright, me say something to the people. Andrew Holness say I give you $25 million to anybody who give information down at Clarendon. Let me tell you something, Andrew. The people are willing, most of the people are willing to give information. Because most of the people want to see a better Jamaica. But the people lose trust in the police. And the people lose trust in the owner. The people are afraid. And the people don't want to give information sometimes, you know. But the people know so them look young youth are hard cold. They hard cold. You hear they look them young people here, them young criminal here, man they get rid of picnic dog, rat, fowl, everything out of here, house burned down, everything. The people them scared. The people them lose trust in the system. The people them willing to give information and you are running money on top of it. The people them want the money. The people them want a better Jamaica. The people them want to give information, but they're not sure if they can trust the system. If you know keep them identity confidential, and that a problem, you know. And that a biggest problem, you know. The people them scared. Because at the end of the day, the same criminal them are sitting out there, the same people will protect we against the criminal, and them sit down and have drink a bar with them. And them that party with them. The same politician them, the same police them, the same soldier them. Not all of them, you know. So the people them scared to give no information. The people don't want to give no information, and then when you look, the same police they give information too, you see man the criminal they sit down at a bar, have drink, and know the people dead. Remember at the end of the day, Andrew Holness. Remember, say a lot of these criminals have cousins, brothers, sisters, uncle, auntie, mother, father in a system. But we give them information. The people them scared, brother. So someone not about Jamaican people, this and Jamaican people that, the people them afraid of them life. The people them afraid to lose them life, I should say. The people them are protect them little daughter and their little son and their mother and their auntie. But no one lose their life and idea, you know, brother. And that's enough to look upon, you know. So in order for you get information, Mr. Holness, you have to assure the Jamaican people say that you never keep them identity confidential. That I first thing before you even mention nothing about no money. Before you mention nothing about no money, tell the people them say, listen, the identity will keep that confidential. Nobody now know who. A lot of people willing to give information. A lot of people sick and tired of what going on in Jamaica. A lot of people out here lose their loved one for nothing at all. The people are sick and tired of it. But the people that give up on the system, Mr. Holness. The people that give up on you. The people that give up on the PNP. The people that give up on everybody, police, the soldier them. Why may I tell you? Condolences to all the people who lose a loved one in Clarendon massacre there. I tell you the truth. Tell you the truth. We feel it with heart. But people them scared, Andrew Holness. The people them scared. I don't know if you understand that.